Hey everyone, it's Crafty Music Lover here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be planning for September 12th through the 18th in the catch-all section of my classic Happy Planner using the Coffee Planner Mom soft kit. I am so excited to share this kit with you guys. It is the perfect introduction into the fall time, so that's why I'm going to be using it. And then I have some acorn and minimalistic florals deco sheets. And then I also pulled the Growing Modestly Neapolitan brush strokes paper because I think the colors go really well together, so we'll see if I end up using that. But we're going to go ahead and jump in. So, if you guys can't tell, I'm hoping you won't be able to, but it is currently storming outside, and there is a lot of lightning, so if you hear me pause or, you know, see a really big flash in the camera, that's because it is storming outside. It's very intense. So I just got back from my cruise. I'm actually going on my cruise tomorrow, on the day I'm filming this, but I just got back from my cruise when you guys see this, and I am excited. I know it was really fun, and I will be able to tell you guys in my next play with me how it went. But we're going to begin by adding the date covers, because we have to have some decorative date covers. Alrighty, and then I think we're going to continue on and we're going to start with the sidebar. And you guys know that in my sidebar I like to track my work schedule, so I think I'm just going to continue on that trend and add the Monday through Sunday sticker here. And then I really like what I did last week using the this week as the title for my work, so I think that's what I'm going to do as well. Alrighty, now, so we get back on the 12th, my mom and dad leave on the 13th, so I think I'm going to add a little box to signify that my mom and dad are going back home. Oh my gosh, I just realized that this sticker is so crooked. Hold on, I have to fix this. Okay, that's a little bit better. I think that that is perfectly fine. So we're going to use this one. So I chose this kit because I thought it would be the perfect introduction to fall. I think that the kit is just, it is so great for like your like beginning your fall spreads. And I know that that's probably not what this kit is intended for, but like it's my kit, you know, like it's my creativity. So I'm thinking like you can do whatever you want with the kits, and I really think it's a good way to like introduce some fun and some fall in here without being too intense. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. You guys get it. You understand. I'm adding a little bit of deco because I want it to feel like an introduction to fall, and it just didn't feel like that yet. Okay, I think I'm also going to use another sticker for, let me look at the checklists. I was looking at the checklist because I don't want them to like clash too much, because I'm going to put a checklist over there. I think I might put a quote here, actually, because I'm not going to be working on Monday or Tuesday, so that's going to be my weekend, which I usually use the weekend banner, but I don't think I'm going to do now. I think I'm going to do surround yourself with things that you love, because I will be coming off of my cruise, and I'll be sad. Big sad. So, okay. Alrighty, and then I said I wanted to do a checklist, and I think we're going to go with this, because there's a lot of green over here, and I want to pull in more of this pink. So I think that's what we'll do. We'll put a little checklist down here, and there's that thunder again. This is like typical for Florida. It's monsooning outside. It's intense. So I'm honestly just not even surprised anymore when it starts raining. I just kind of say, yep, it's about that time in Florida. think I'm going to use this one because this brings in that color over there. All right. Oh, I wanted to do another checklist up at the top for this week. Maybe not though. We might add another quote. What are their quotes here? We have, we are all broken and that's how the light gets in. All we have is now. Have a soft heart in a cruel world. That's nice. Deep breath. I'm going to actually do next week because there's a lot that I need to get done next week. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put, maybe we'll put it here because then I can put a box or something up there. Okay. Alrighty, now we're going to move on to this side. And like I said, my weekend is kind of like at the beginning of the week and not the end of the week. So I think what we'll do is I want to use more boxes. Let's do this one because I do need another checklist. I'm thinking of doing it here. Well, maybe here because then we could have, I kind of want a quote up here. You know what? We'll put this box there. And then we'll use, oh, well, that's a little too, you know what? We'll use deep breath because I'll need that. Okay. And then let's do, I really like this quote. We are all broken and that's how the light gets in. And I think I'm going to use this Neapolitan brush strokes because I want to layer it. So I'm thinking that this blue one, or sorry, this brown one will work pretty well. And this is the first time I'm ever using my Growing Modestly stickers. So do I want to do it? Yeah, okay. So we're going to put it like here. And then we'll do this quote. And this is a fairly large quote. And I want to do it like that. That's nice, actually. It's a little crooked. I think it's pretty crooked. I don't know. Can we fix the crooked? Okay. I feel like I probably need to add another brush stroke on the other side, but we'll get to that later. Alright. I do want to pull in this color here. And I said I had another checklist that I wanted to do, didn't I? Maybe we'll just go ahead and use this other brown one. But I really wanted to pull in some green. Because I feel like that's way too much brown. Okay. Change of plans. We'll use green. Yes. We'll use green. No, because see that's... Oh my gosh. Okay, but maybe this color. Yeah. 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 Okay, that's good. And then we'll do another little box down here at the bottom. And I think I'm going to use the payday sticker because I have a lot of bills due on this day, so might as well put in the reminder that it is that it is payday. Okay. So all right. And then I wanted one more checklist. Which color do I want to do though? I'm going to do this one. And then, where did my, gonna do, use this one. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to clip off. Gonna have to clip off 2 of these. Probably could have kept one on, but it's fine. Okay, I wanted to put another box up here though. So let's do one more decorative box, and I'm thinking we'll do this one. Oh, but it would be better down here, wouldn't it? Or even in the middle. It would be better in the middle. Alrighty, and then friends, and that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found a different way to use the soft kit for an introduction into fall. Like I said, I love this kit. I think it is just absolutely fantastic. I am so excited for you guys to see what I'm doing next week. Stay tuned because next week is the first week of fall, the official first week of fall. And that week we are all on Coffee Planner Mom. We are all doing a collab. So make sure you keep an eye out. We will be announcing it a little bit later, probably during this week. I'm not sure. what we're planning on doing as far as the announcement goes, but we are doing a collab. Everybody in the PR is doing a collab with the Crisp Kit, so make sure that you keep an eye on that. They are all on the PR team and they will be doing some sort of something with the collab. So I don't know what they're planning on doing, but I am very, very excited to share that with you. If you guys weren't already aware, I am a PR for Coffee Planner Mom, so you can use my code Megan15 and receive my freebie. It is in the Coffee Planner Mom pink lemonade colorway. It is perfect for, you know, whenever you guys want to add some refreshing colors to your spread. It's super bright. I have done this pink lemonade colorway using my freebie, and separately from my freebie, I'm very excited. This entire month is pretty much just going to be Coffee Planner Mom spreads, so you're welcome. I am so excited for you guys to see what I do with the Crisp Kit, because I don't know what I'm doing with it either. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys.